How to sign up on Prism Live app in your mobile phone. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that you need to download Prism Live app from Play Store or App Store. Once you download it, you need to simply open it. After that you guys will see Google never continue with Facebook, never cloud B2B, and also Discord option, Apple option, Line option, email option, and in down side you will see sign up with email. So we need to simply click on sign up with email. After that you guys will see terms of use, so I will simply accept it. And it will see I am at least 14 years old required. So if you are 14 years old or older, you guys can accept it, otherwise don't use that app. So I will simply agree it. After that it will say agree, so I will click on it. Once you click on it, it will say email address, username, password, confirm password. So I will simply write my email, username and password. Once you write email, username and password, after that click on continue, and once you click on continue, it will need permission like camera and mic and storage permission. So you need to give it. Once you give it, after that your window will be pop up like that. So once you do everything, you need to simply click on ready. You can select camera, VTuber or screen, but I will simply select ready. Once you click on ready, it will show a lot of options like Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, and etc. So it's up on you which platform you want to link it. So simply click on that platform and link it, and that's it. Your account was created and you can stream it. Thanks for watching.